Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Eureka NEW500 cordless wet-dry vacuum cleaner and mop. This all-in-one device is designed to streamline your cleaning routine by combining the power of a vacuum and a mop into one convenient cordless machine. But does it live up to the promise? Let's see what it's all about. The Eureka NEW500 isn't just a vacuum or just a mop, it's both, working in harmony to tackle a variety of messes with ease. One of its standout features is the smart sensor technology, which adjusts suction power and water flow automatically based on the surface it's cleaning. Whether you're dealing with dust on hardwood floors or sticky messes, this vacuum mop ensures optimal performance for every type of cleaning task. Let's dive into the specifications. First, it's cordless, powered by a lithium-ion battery that delivers up to 35 minutes of runtime, offering flexibility and freedom to move without being tethered to a wall. Its dual-tank system is a real highlight, a 750 milliliter clean water tank and a 600 milliliter dirty water tank. This setup ensures you're always cleaning with fresh water, while dirty water is neatly separated, so you don't have to worry about cross-contamination during your clean. In terms of cleaning ability, the Eureka NEW500 combines the deep suction of a traditional upright vacuum with the fresh, streak-free cleaning of a mop. Whether it's dirt, debris, or sticky messes, it tackles them all. It works wonders on hardwood floors, offering a balanced, gentle approach that won't damage your surfaces. But how does it handle different types of debris? Well, the vacuum's suction is powerful enough to pick up fine dust, larger particles, and even embedded dirt from rugs, making it versatile for all surfaces. As you would expect from a vacuum mop, maintenance is an important factor. The Eureka NEW500 makes this easy with its self-cleaning roller. Simply step on the pedal to activate the auto-clean system, and your roller brush is cleaned without you ever having to touch it. This feature is especially great for anyone who hates the hassle of manually cleaning roller brushes after every use. And to make things even easier, the machine offers intelligent voice prompts, notifying you of important information, like when the water tank is full or when the unit needs maintenance. Now onto real-world testing. We found the Eureka NEW500 was incredibly easy to set up right out of the box. It's lightweight and maneuverable, which makes moving it from room to room or around furniture a breeze. On hard floors, it did an excellent job of picking up fine dust, crumbs, and even some pet hair. The suction power is strong enough to get debris out of tricky corners, and the mop function left the floor shining without leaving streaks. However, on carpets, the performance is a bit more nuanced. While it does a decent job picking up surface debris, it isn't quite as effective on embedded dirt or heavy messes compared to traditional upright vacuums. That said, it's perfect for quick cleanups or light carpet maintenance. When testing the vacuum mop on stairs and upholstery, the attachments worked well. The brush roll tackled pet hair without tangling, and the maneuverability of the device made cleaning around the edges or under furniture a much smoother process than we expected. However, there are some cons. The main issue with the Eureka NEW500 is its runtime. While the 35-minute battery life is decent for light cleaning, it can fall short for bigger, more extensive cleaning tasks. Additionally, the water tanks are on the smaller side, so you might find yourself needing to refill the clean water tank or empty the dirty water tank more often during longer cleaning sessions. For users with larger homes or more intensive cleaning needs, this could be a bit of a drawback. Another potential downside is noise. The Eureka NEW500 isn't particularly loud, but it's definitely more noticeable than some quieter, traditional vacuums, especially when operating on high suction mode. It's not a deal breaker for most, but if you're sensitive to noise, you might want to take that into consideration. Now, let's talk about value for money. The Eureka NEW500 is competitively priced for a vacuum mop combo, and it offers a lot of functionality for that price. It's a great option for people who want the convenience of both vacuuming and mopping in one go, especially for those with hardwood floors or apartments. However, if you're primarily concerned with heavy-duty cleaning on carpets, you might want to look at more traditional upright vacuums, as they tend to offer stronger suction and better overall performance for deep cleaning. When comparing it to other models in the same price range, the Eureka NEW500 stands out with its dual tank system and self-cleaning feature. However, models like the Shark Vac Mop or the Bissell Crosswave, while similar in concept, often provide better suction and longer battery life, albeit without the same level of smart features or the self-cleaning roller. In terms of pure value, the Eureka NEW500 strikes a good balance, but it might not be the best choice for those seeking maximum suction or long-lasting runtime. As for build quality, the Eureka NEW500 feels solid but not overly heavy. The plastics are durable enough to handle everyday cleaning tasks, though they don't feel quite as premium as some higher-end models. The unit is lightweight, making it easy to handle and maneuver, but this also means it might not have the same heft as some more expensive alternatives. Maintenance is straightforward, thanks to the self-cleaning roller and easy-to-empty tanks. Filters and brushes are also simple to clean, making it relatively low maintenance overall. In terms of longevity, the Eureka NEW500 holds up well during testing. But as with most battery-powered devices, the long-term lifespan of the battery will depend on usage patterns. Eureka offers a 2-year warranty for the vacuum itself and a 12-month warranty for the battery, which provides some peace of mind. If you're wondering about customer support, Eureka is known for offering solid service, though we haven't encountered any issues directly with this model during our testing. To wrap it up, the Eureka NEW500 is an impressive vacuum mop combo that shines in its convenience, ease of use, and ability to handle multiple surfaces. It's especially great for those with hardwood floors or lighter cleaning needs. However, its runtime, smaller water tanks, and moderate suction on carpets may not be ideal for those looking for a deep cleaning powerhouse. But if you're looking for a versatile, time-saving cleaning solution for quick, daily upkeep, the Eureka NEW500 could be exactly what you need. If you're interested in learning more, the link to get your own Eureka NEW500 is in the comments box. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or want to share your own experience with the vacuum, drop a comment below. Until next time, keep your floors shining and your messes in check. Goodbye, and thanks for tuning in to Reviews Inside TV.